Hey, y'all, my name is Jay Helms, and I want to welcome you to the W2 Capitalist Pro community. We are an engaged community of aspiring and experienced real estate investors like myself that want to help you on your journey of creating multiple streams of income, building legacy wealth, or achieving financial freedom, all through real estate investing. Here are just some of the things that you're going to experience inside the W2 Capitalist Pro community. So first things first, the events calendar. This is a place where we hold mostly virtual, but events we hold that are exclusive to members of the W2 Capitalist Pro community and members of the W2 Capitalist Mastermind. For example, something new that I'm doing for season 4 of the W2 Capitalist podcast recordings is I'm inviting members of our pro community to be part of our live studio audience, where you'll have an opportunity to come on live on video and ask your question directly to our special guest. There are also the monthly Ask Me Anything events, where you as a pro member come on here and ask me, well, anything. And as we build out these events and migrate to this new calendar function with Inside Pro, you'll be able to easily RSVP to any of the events you're interested in and quickly and easily add to your calendar. There's also a space, what we're calling Pro Conversations. This is a space where you'll post questions you want feedback from the community on, as well as engage with others where you're qualified or you just have thoughts on you want to contribute to the community. There's also a space for new members to start here and say hello, as well as a space for you to share your wins, which we love seeing those wins because we not only want to celebrate you, but we also want to be inspired by you. So no matter how big or small your win is, this is a space for you to brag about it and also brag on yourself. You also get access to the Pro Member Directory, and we highly encourage our members to find folks who are in a similar niche, similar market, reach out and start building those relationships outside of the community. Expanding your network is what's going to expand your net worth, and this is a great place to do that. With your membership in the Pro, you also get access to the Education Space group, which includes any of the self-paced courses that we've published, and there's more of those that are coming, as well as the instructional videos on all the tools that I use and recommend to fellow investors. My name is Jay Helms, and I look forward to seeing just how our pro community helps you create multiple streams of income, achieve financial freedom, or build legacy wealth through real estate investing.